Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to barricade windows in Project Zomboid. First, you need the right materials in your inventory: a hammer, wooden planks, and nails. You can find these by looting garages, tool sheds, hardware closets, or by disassembling furniture for planks and nails. Next, stand close to the window you want to reinforce. It doesn't matter whether you're outside or inside. Just make sure you're near the window frame and that your hammer, planks, and nails are in your main inventory and not in a bag. Now right-click on the window to bring up the interaction menu. If you have the required items, you'll see a barricade with planks option. Click it to start boarding up the window. Your character will automatically take the planks and nails and begin hammering them into place. Each time you do this, one plank is nailed across the window. You can repeat this process up to 4 times per side of the window, making the barricade progressively stronger and harder for zombies to break through. If the barricade option doesn't appear, double check that the planks and unpacked nails are in your main inventory, that you have a hammer equipped, and that you're right-clicking directly on the window frame. And that's how you barricade windows in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.